Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be designing a restaurant flyer. The reason why companies or business owners design flyers is because they want to get more customers. So the same goes for owners of restaurants. They design flyers so to get more customers, and most of the time when they are doing discount, the flyers is always needed for distribution. So we'll do a very simple and very simple design. So follow me as we do this together. You are going to be needing some pictures. Okay, I already have some pictures I downloaded from the internet. Where do I keep these pictures? Okay, it should be in my pictures. I downloaded some pictures from the internet that I'm going to be using, so you can do the same. I think this is one, this is another, okay, this is another. Then I downloaded 4 of them. Okay, good. This is the last one, so I'm going to be copying them and bringing them to my Coreldraw. I'm using Corel X3. You can use any one, the higher ones, it doesn't matter. So let me paste them. Okay, good. These are 4 of them. Some are not good. Anyone that is not good will not use it. Okay, these ones are not good. These 2 are not good. So I'm going to be needing. Okay, I can use this to save. Okay, like if need be, we'll go to the internet and get more pictures. Okay, so it's always good to save your graphics because sometimes this Coreldraw can crash at any time. So I'm going to saving it in document as restaurant flyer. Okay, let's save it. Good, so we'll save it now. Okay, so we can choose this design. It can be landscape, it can be portrait, and the size also matters. Okay, this is A4 flyers. Most flyers are usually half of this, so we're going to be doing half of this portrait. Okay, let's do it this way. Double click on this rectangular tool. Okay, to create a rectangle around the design area. Okay, let's change this into A5. Okay, good. It's A5. So we are doing a sign in this box. Okay, I'll double click on this rectangle around it for me. Okay, then I want to be doing this right from inside of this box. I want to do this inside of this box. So I will move these 2 items inside. Let's reduce them and highlight them. I'll highlight these 2 items. I'll go to effect, then power clip. I'll place it inside container. So position it in the rectangle that we just created. Okay, let's move it. Okay, it's not allowing me. I think something is wrong. Let's shift them outside a bit. Where's the rectangle? Okay, let's shift the rectangle a bit. Okay, let it leave the drawing area. Now let's highlight it again and go to effect, place inside container. Where is it now allowing me? Okay, good. We've moved it inside the container. So now we'll be doing the design from inside of this container. So right click on it and go to edit content. I can see the line. We are inside the container. So let's get the heading. You can name your restaurant anything. I'm going to name it my channel. That's sports lights restaurant. Let's bring restaurant down. Restaurants, spotlight restaurant. So let's break this text apart using Ctrl K. Ctrl K, let's break them apart. Okay, let's move this one here and move this one just under it. Okay, bring it down a bit. Okay, this spotlight is the name, so we'll reduce it from 24. Let's bring it to 18. Then let's look for a more bold font. Okay, let's use Boha 93 for it. Okay, I think it's better this way. Then this restaurant, this one have to be small, maybe 11. Take it up a bit, let it just go under it. You know, we are supposed to be needing a logo for this. If you have a logo, you can just place it beside it. Okay, let's just do a simple logo from our spotlight. Okay, let's do a simple logo. Let me just do a simple logo. I'll just design something here, a rectangle. We're gonna be doing just a small design. Another one. Let's just draw another rectangle like this. To do a logo is quite easy, depending on what you are doing. Let me click on this. Okay, let's just make the outline of this one thick. Let's take it to 4. Remember, if you don't have this object property, you can go to Windows, then to get where is it, Dockers, then you see these properties. Every other things you needed here, you can just bring them out. Where is it, Dockers, then you see these properties. Every other things you needed here, you can just bring them out from here. Like I usually use this blend, bitmap, color mark. This one you're seeing here. Okay, graphics and text, they are up here. So you can bring these properties right here, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so for my design, I want my design in okay, let's do this outline. Then let's put this one inside of this. Just highlight it, go to effects, come to power clip, place it in the container, position it well, and click. Okay, now I have this. My logo is going well. Okay, now let's add S and P to it. SP. Look for a very rugged font. Let's see this one. Okay, good. This one is perfect for it. We'll just have it here. And let's give it another color. Okay, what color do you think will fit this? Remember, in graphics you're not supposed to have too much color, so let's look for something that is close to blue. Okay, let's see this. Let's add small outline and see. Go to this object property, click on this, and outline. Okay, I think this is okay for my logo. I don't need too much then. Okay, so I have spotlight. Let's make this one a kind of small data. This restaurant, it seems the spelling is not correct. Okay, now highlight it, press Shift and F3. Okay, good. Shift and F3 will bring this case bar, so we'll just select title case and just okay it. Okay, good. So we have our spotlight restaurant heading. Okay, but this color is not what I want for it. Place it up a bit. Good. but I don't want this color. I want my design in blue, so I'll select blue also for this. Okay, so now we have our heading. Now let's create the body now. So that thing I'm gonna need. Okay, let's draw a rectangle. Let's bring the zoom back to page. You can keep this. Let's bring a rectangle and draw across this. Let's bring it down. Okay, now pick the shape tool, this one, come back, right click on this, and please convert it to curve. You need curve. So when you convert it to curve, we'll convert this very line to curve as well. So the line is now curved. Now drag the line from the middle, let it come down this way. Okay, we are heading there. Let it come down this way. You can see, use this to structure one side of it. We don't want to, it's the graphics. You don't need anything unique. Just scatter it and it will just come out good for you. Okay, now we'll convert this one also to curve. Pick the shape tool, come to the line, right click on it to curve. Now let's bring this one down also. Okay, this is good. Okay, I think we have what we need. Let's add one node here, right click on it and add. Then let's move this one up, let it go up. Okay, I think it's okay like this for me. Let's move it. We don't want it to cover to get to where this is. Okay, let's bring it down. Move. I'm using my arrow key up, down, left, right. Okay, this is it. So I'll move this one also a bit. Okay, we have gotten something. Remember this line, where this color line that is blue, that's where we are designing. So anything that goes outside it will go. Let's assume, come down here and click on finish editing and see what. The moment you finish, this is what we have. Okay, every other thing outside has gone. So right click again. Let's go back to edit content. Click on it, right click, edit content. I'll come back. Okay, so understand what we are doing. Let's color this. What color do you think is good for this? Let's pick a thick brown. So thick brown is fine. Pick a thick brown. Okay, let's duplicate this guy so that we can add small outline. Duplicate it, right click on it. Okay, let's duplicate. Just press Ctrl D to duplicate. Ctrl D. I've duplicated it. Let's change the duplicate to the color blue. Yeah, but we need this thing at the back. So let me undo it. I need the back one to be color blue. So let's take the black one. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is it. Let's move it up a bit. I need something like this. Now drag it down. Let it affect the other side too. You can see, drag it down. Now move it up a bit. Awesome. Good. I think it's okay like this. So we have our design. If you want to add outline, you can go ahead and add outline. Okay, so now let's put this our food up here. Let's move it forward. Right click on it, go to order, then to font of layer. Okay, awesome. But placing it in a rectangle like this doesn't make it look good. So let's pick a cycle, draw it, around it. Now come and place this guy inside of this. Just click on it, go to effect, power clip, place inside container and hit it on the line. You know, when we're positioned on the line, let's place it to awesome. I think it's okay like this. You can add your own outline from this object, this outline. Give you small outline, like maybe 4. What color should we give the outline? Let's say white. See, now bring it inside of this guy. Remember, this is what we are doing. In the end, if the color doesn't match, we change the color. This will be the main image. Okay, it's going well. You can increase the outline. I think let's make it 8. Let's see, or 16. I need the outline big. Okay, awesome. I think it's okay. We want the outline to look like a plate. Okay. What other things? Okay, let's put some text here. Okay, or let's do this one first. We need another circle also. Let's place this inside. Go to effects, come down to power clip. I have not highlighted it. Okay, effect, power clip, place inside container. Then we'll just come here and position it. Wow, it has entered. Okay, now I want this to tally well. Just so I click on the want to move the cycle. Remember, the item is inside the cycle, so as we are moving the cycle, everything is moving. But we want to move just the cycle, let the item stay. So just right click on it and click on lock content to power clip. What this does is once you lock it, only the shape will be moving. You can see I'll lock it. So I want to rotate. Click on this and rotate. Awesome. Then let's click on it, the rectangle. Let's move this guy here. Okay, move this guy here, move this guy here. It might not be straight. Now lock it back. It might not be straight, but it doesn't matter. So we are going to rotate this and place this around this place. Now do the same thing, give it outline. We use 16 for that one. Give it a color, the color white. Okay, we can add more maize to it and reduce the size and reduce the outline to 8. Let's say the line has to be 8. Okay, good. Now just move it here. Okay, now let's add some text to it. Special delicacy. Special delicacy. Okay, we just put this special delicacy where people will easily see. So it's going here. Let's add something like our special delicacy, or come taste our, come and taste our special delicacy. Come and taste our special delicacy. Now let's break this apart. Control K to break them apart. So let's make this white. We need a better font, like script font. Let's look for script. Let's use this guy. use this guy of all of them. Script. Let's use this script and increase their size individually to maybe 36. You know, this is the one everybody will see. Give it the color white. Bring this one down. Bring this one down. Bring this one also down a bit. What do? Let's make, okay, let's try, okay, let's change this one font and see to something like area black and reduce it. Come and taste. Come, let's remove this one. I don't think the English is on. Come taste our special delicacy. Awesome. Come see our special delicacy. Okay, let's give this one color blue. Will it go where? Or bright blue. Oh. Come and taste our special delicacy. We can reduce all of them. The common taste doesn't matter. I just, this is a special delicacy that matters, so this one can reduce a bit. Okay, good. Now let's move it up. Bring this one down. Move them a bit. Okay. For some common taste of a special delicacy. Then if you are giving people, let's put some kind of discount on it. 50% discount. Let's come down. Discount. 50% discount. Let's break it apart. Now the 50% should be so bold. Let's use area black. Okay. And the discount should just be here. Small like that. Now let's get another this. Okay. Let's put this together. Let's group these two. Control G for group. It sits inside this newly draw box. Place it inside container. Just position it where you are here. And then select it. Let's bring it here. We are going to get blue. Since we are using blue, most of our things will be blue. Okay, the 50% discount will just appear here. Let it just stay here. Okay, let's give it our outline. Remember, all our outline are just white, so I'll just give it another white outline. Okay, it's beginning to make sense. Now let's do other information. Okay, this guy a bit and give it color white. Boom. Okay, I think it looks better now. Okay, let's add more. Let's look for more pictures. The more your pictures, the more let me connect my internet and add more pictures. Okay, let's look for okra. Okay, let me just pick anyone. Okay, let's do maybe kind of address and Let's add address, restaurant, address. Okay, let's say number or plot 5, central business district, FCT, Abuja. Let's add number. And let's add email, spotlight press at gmail.com. If you have a website, you can also add the website www.spotlightpress.com. Okay, remember the address. Let's make it a big bold, change the font to Area Black, then reduce everything, make it very small, and let's place it here. Let's put the address here. You can decide to create something like this to just add more design. Let's rotate it. Okay, let's move. Let's want address here. Then we just give the rectangle outline. Give it outline. Let's leave it like that. Okay, let's finish editing and see how it look. Okay, good. This is our address. This is our address and phone contact. Then we can add any other information like maybe the prices, but we don't need the prices. What let's do now is to, okay, let's add free home delivery. This will attract more customers. Free home delivery. Let's say free home delivery. Okay, we'll do this way, free home delivery. Let's break it apart. Control K. So the free will stand tall. Bring it here. Okay, we'll do this way, free home delivery. Let's break it apart. Control K. So the free will stand tall. Bring it here. Tall with different fonts. Why the home delivery can just be our script. Let's use it again. Awesome. Now let's get any kind of shape that we feel we can use, even if it's this guy. We just drop. Okay. Let's put effects, power clip, then place a container. Okay, now let's go inside and make adjustment. I like to order them and bring them bit, bring them bit. Free home delivery. Now finish 10. Bring everything close. Let's do this one here. This one can stay here. Or let's do another kind of design entirely, since we have used so many cycles in this design. Okay, let's do the rectangle. Let's be fast. Select shape tool, right click on click on this and convert to curve. Okay, draw this one here. Okay, convert this to curve, delete it. Okay, convert this to curve, add a node here, delete this guy. Okay, bring this one close, then pick the shape tool again, delete this guy. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, I think we have some text. Extract the content inside this because we don't need that shape. And I extracted it out. Delete the shape and let's move it here and make it big. Okay, now let's paint this. Remember, blue is our color for the day, so we'll give it blue, or maybe light blue. No, blue. We'll move it back, or that back, so the items can come front, and the items to be white. We don't want too much color. White. Let's group them. Ctrl G and carry them here. Use them together. Okay. I'll just put it here like this. Okay. What other thing do you think we can add to this? Okay, we can add something like 24. Okay, let's say 247. Okay, 24/7 service. Services. Okay, do this 247. You can place it anywhere. That one can be here. Okay. Area black should work for me here. I'll give this one a different color, maybe this deep brown. Okay. Let's draw a rectangle. Let's separate it and give it a small design. Okay, I'm going to paint this rectangle light blue. Then I'll move it back. See the rectangle go back. 24 hours service. Okay, let's finish